week coming up, so I thought it would be a great week to do some moving. We just got off of a beautiful weekend. So if you have a partner, great. And if you don't, that's fine too. You can dance it by yourself or grab your dog like we did. And this is Popcorn in the Pan. The popcorn in the pan goes pop, pop, pop. The popcorn in the pan goes pop, pop, pop. The popcorn in the pan goes pop, 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 pop. Stir it up and stir it up and stir it up and stir it up. Stir it up and stir it up and then you stop. Wiggle your head, wiggle your toes. Shake your body fast. Shake your body slow. Smile at Mrs. Miller. I know she's smiling too. Get ready to do it again with someone new. The popcorn in the pan goes pop, pop, pop. The popcorn in the pan goes pop, pop, pop. The popcorn in the pan goes pop, 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 pop. Stir it up and stir it up and stir it up and stir it up. Stir it up and stir it up and then you stop. Wiggle your head, wiggle your toes. Shake your body fast. Shake your body slow. Smile at the Miller kids. I know they're smiling too. And then see if you can find everybody together. And if you can't, just keep doing it by yourself. Good luck. The popcorn in the pan goes pop, pop, pop. The popcorn in the pan goes pop, pop, pop. The popcorn in the pan goes pop, 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 pop. Stir it up and stir it up and stir it up and stir it up. Stir it up and stir it up and then you stop. Wiggle your head, wiggle your toes. Shake your body fast. Shake your body slow. Smile at someone in your house. I hope they're smiling too. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Miss you.